everyone, I'm Double D. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Things Up North. I've had this channel for about almost 2 years now. It's mostly been kind of random videos, and it's going to continue to be random videos, but new year, new goals. Getting a little bit tired of working the standard 9-to-5 job and punching the clock, so I'm going to try to get off of that clock if I can by stepping up my efforts in some other areas of things I've been doing, such as buying and selling on eBay, thrifting things. A lot of people think that's a pretty weird thing to do or not really any money in it, but there's plenty of money in it if you know what you're looking for. I've already had pretty good success on there, and I'm going to step it up in that area, make some videos about that, so stay tuned for those if that's the kind of stuff you're interested in. Also going to be getting more into woodworking and making some videos about that. Continue making cooking videos and things like that, so a hodgepodge of different things. I usually get into some pretty interesting things, so be sure to like and subscribe here and check it out. Also, I'm on a quest right now for 500 subscribers. If I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to do some sort of a giveaway. I'm not sure just what I'll be giving away yet, but I'm sure it'll be something pretty cool. I won't let you down on that. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe and see what comes next.